Hare Krishna. On the occasion of God Purnima, for the very first time, there is going to be a very special seminar on Sri Caitanya-Sikshamrita, which was authored by Srila Bhakti Vinoda Thakur. This seminar is being organized by ISKCON Bhagwat Mahavidyalaya, our spiritual IBM, the Vedaversity.com. Yes, so they are organizing this just for you. So it would be a 25 session course. There would be 3 sessions every week. And the course would be delivered by a very scholarly Vaishnava from ISKCON Delhi. His name is His Grace Rishi Kumar Prabhuji. He is serving as a temple vice president, as well as he is a very scholarly Vaishnava. So that's why please note down all the registration details. Register now for this very special course being organized just for you. Caitanya-Sikshamrita. Wow, the nectar of the teachings of Lord Chaitanya. So happy Gaudiya Purnima in advance, and please do register for this course. A 25 session course just for you from ISKCON Bhagwat Mahavidyalaya. Hare Krishna.